Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your smartwatch to Wi-Fi. First, make sure your smartwatch has at least 50% battery life. It's also important to have your smartphone close by and connected to the same Wi-Fi network you intend to use for your watch. You'll then open the dedicated companion app on your smartphone, which is essential for initiating the connection process. This initial setup ensures a smooth and successful pairing experience. Once you're ready, gently swipe down or up on your smartwatch screen to access the quick settings or main menu. From there, you'll want to find and tap on the settings icon, which often looks like a small gear. Within the settings, look for an option labeled Connections or Network and select it. Finally, choose Wi-Fi to view the available networks, moving us closer to getting your watch online. After selecting Wi-Fi, your smartwatch will automatically scan for nearby networks. A list of available Wi-Fi networks will appear on your watch's small screen. Carefully tap on the name of your home or office network to select it. If the network is secured, you'll be prompted to enter the password using the on-screen keyboard. Take your time to input the correct password for a successful connection. Once you've entered the password, your smartwatch will attempt to connect. A confirmation message, such as Connected or Connection Successful, should appear on the screen. You'll also typically see a small Wi-Fi icon on your watch's display, indicating a successful connection. If you experience any trouble, try restarting both your smartwatch and your smartphone, and then repeat these steps. This often resolves minor glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.